Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn more about fractions. So today's topic is comparing and ordering like and unlike fractions. So first of all, we should know what is like fraction. In the previous classes, we have discussed about like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions that are having same denominators are called like fractions, and fractions that are having different denominators are called unlike fraction. So today we will learn about how to compare and how to order it. Okay, so let's start with it. So let's start with example number 1. Arrange the fraction in decreasing order. What do we mean by decreasing order? Decreasing order means greatest to smallest, biggest to smallest. We have to arrange fraction greatest to smallest. So these are three circles. Okay. These three circles are divided into four equal parts, and in the first circle as we can see, only one part is shaded, so we can write it as out of four equal part, one equal part is shaded, so we can write it as 1 upon 4. Here out of four equal part, two part is shaded, so we can write it as 2 upon 4. And here out of four equal parts, three parts are shaded, so we can write it as 3 upon 4. Now we have to arrange it in the decreasing order. So first, as we can see here, more area is covered, more area is shaded, so 3 upon 4 will be the greatest. And here only two part is shaded, and here only one part is shaded, so greatest fraction will be 3 upon 4, as more parts are shaded in this circle. So 3 upon 4, after that 2 upon 4, and the smallest is 1 upon 4. Okay, so we have arranged it in decreasing order. So we can conclude that when the denominator is same, the fraction with greater numerator is the bigger number. Means fraction with greater numerator will be the bigger number. Okay, here denominators are different. So different denominators, fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Means these are unlike fractions, so we can't do it like previous one, because in the previous section we have understood that fractions with the greater like fractions with the same denominators can be arranged according to their numerator. Means if the numerator is greater in like fractions, then the fraction will be greater. Okay, but it cannot be applicable here. We can't apply it here because here denominators are different. So first of all, we will make them like fraction. We will convert unlike fractions into like fractions. So how can we convert unlike fractions into like fractions? So here first of all we will find out equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. So how can we find equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3? So first of all we will multiply it by both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So first equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 is 4 upon 6, and second is 6 upon 9. And we always multiply with the same number. If we are multiplying denominator by 2, then we have to multiply numerator by 2 only. Here we are multiplying denominator by 3, so we have to multiply numerator by 3 only. If we are multiplying numerator by 4, then to find equivalent fraction we have to multiply denominator by 4 only. Okay, so here we got 4 upon 6, 6 upon 9, 8 upon 12, 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 18. Here in 5 upon 6 also we are following the same. So 5 upon 6 we have to find the equivalent fraction. So 5 upon 6 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by 2 is 10 upon 12 and 15 upon 18. Here we got 18 as a denominator. Here also we got 18 as a denominator. So now we have to find the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 9 with the denominator 18. So 7 upon 9. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. To 14 by 18. So here we can see that here equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 is 12 upon 18. Here 5 upon 6, 15 upon 18, because we are getting common denominator 18 here and 18 here, and here also we are getting 18. So we can easily compare it. Okay, so 12 upon 18 is the smallest fraction and 14 upon 18 is greater than 12 upon 18 and 15 upon 18 is the greatest fraction. So 12 upon 18 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3, 14 upon 18 is the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 9, and 15 upon 18 is the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 6. So greatest fraction is 5 upon 6, then smaller than it is 7 upon 9, then 2 upon 3. Okay, I'm going to tell you the second method. First of all, we will find the LCM of the denominators, means LCM of LCM of 3, 6 and 9. Okay, so LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is 18. So LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 9 is 18. So first of all we will find the LCM 18. Now we got LCM 18. So we have to find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 with denominator 18. We have to find equivalent fraction of 5 upon 6 with denominator 18. And we have to find the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 9 with denominator 18. So we got the denominator. We got the a denominator of the equivalent fraction. With this method, we can easily find out the denominator of equivalent fraction. So how can we find it? We will find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so LCM of the denominator is 18. So we know that equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 is having 18 as denominator. So how can we get 18 as a denominator? When we multiply 3 by 6, then only we will get the 18. If we are multiplying denominator by 6 to get 18 as the equivalent fraction, as the denominator of an equivalent fraction, then we have to multiply it numerator also by 6. So we will get the equivalent fraction, that is 12 by 18. Here also when we multiply 6 by 3, we will get 18. So we will multiply numerator also multiplied by 3, 5. So we will get equivalent fraction with denominator 18. Here also we will get denominator with equivalent fraction with denominator 18. 7 multiplied by 2, 9 multiplied by 2. When we multiply denominator by 2, 9 multiplied by 2, then only we will get 18. Okay, so now here also we can easily see that 2 upon 3 is having the least value, because 18, because 12 upon 18, 5 upon 8, 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18. Here smallest numerator is 12, then after that 14, then greatest is the 15. So we can easily find out which is the smallest fraction by comparing the numerator, because here denominators are same. So 2 upon 3 is the least, then 7 upon 9, because 14 upon 8 is there, then 5 upon 6.